Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the lid and cover on your Thermomix TM31. This is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance the functionality of your appliance. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. These tools will help you navigate the screws and components effectively. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, turn the Thermomix upside down on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Locate the screws that secure the base of the lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off the main body. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips that may be holding it in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. Now, let's focus on the cover. The cover is typically held in place by a few screws as well. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could break the plastic. With the cover removed, take a moment to clean the internal components of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This will ensure that your appliance runs smoothly once reassembled. If you notice any damage to the lid or cover, it's essential to replace them. You can find replacement parts online or at your local appliance store. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the parts you need without any hassle. Once you have your new lid and cover, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Start by placing the cover back onto the main body. Align it carefully and press down until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, take the lid and position it back onto the appliance. Ensure that it fits snugly and that all clips are engaged. Now, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier and use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the lid back onto the Thermomix. Tighten the screws gently but firmly to ensure everything is held in place. After reassembling, it's a good idea to test the appliance before using it for cooking. Plug it back in and run a short program to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair service, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can have your Thermomix serviced without any inconvenience. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the lid and cover on your Thermomix TM31. Enjoy your cooking with a fully functional appliance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.